Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Altaf, your favorite place to learn English in a simple and easy way. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important topic: English for everyone, no matter your age or level. Many people think that English is only for school students or young people. Some feel shy because they are beginners. But in this video, I'll show you that English is for all: children, teenagers, adults, and even older people. Whether you are a beginner or advanced learner, this video is for you. Let's get started! Why English is important for everyone. English is a global language. It is spoken in more than 100 countries. It is used in business, travel, education, movies, and on the internet. Learning English helps you communicate with more people, get better jobs, study in good schools or universities, travel easily to other countries, watch English movies and listen to songs without subtitles. So no matter your age or level, English can help you in many ways. English for all ages. Let's talk about how people of different ages can learn English. 1. Children. Children are quick learners. Their brain picks up new words and sounds easily. That's why many parents want their kids to start learning English early. Kids can learn English through songs and rhymes, storybooks, games and cartoons, talking with parents in simple English. 2. Teenagers. Teenagers can improve their English to do well in school and prepare for their future. They can read English books, watch educational YouTube videos, practice speaking with friends, join English clubs or classes. 3. Adults. Many adults feel shy or nervous when they start learning English. They think, I'm too old now. But that's not true. It's never too late. Adults can learn English to grow in their careers, to help their children with studies, to enjoy learning something new. You can start with simple English conversations, watching videos with subtitles, speaking with confidence even if it's broken English. 4. Senior citizens, 60 plus. Yes, even older people can learn English. Some want to talk to their grandchildren who speak English. Some want to travel. Learning English helps older people stay active and happy. They can learn 5 new words a day, practice speaking with family, watch easy English shows. English for all levels. Now let's talk about different levels of learners. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner? Don't worry, English is for all levels. Beginner level. You are a beginner if you know a few English words. You feel shy to speak English. You don't understand English movies or songs. What to do? Start with basic words and phrases. E.g., hello, how are you? I am fine. Learn basic grammar like tenses, parts of speech. Use apps like Duolingo or YouTube to practice daily. Speak without fear even if you make mistakes. 2. Intermediate level. You are intermediate if you understand some English. You can talk but make some grammar mistakes. You want to speak fluently. What to do? Practice more speaking and writing. Learn new vocabulary and idioms. Listen to English podcasts or watch vlogs. Talk with native speakers or English learners. 3. Advanced level. You are advanced if you speak English fluently. You understand most English content. You want to sound more natural and professional. What to do? Focus on pronunciation and accent. Learn advanced grammar rules. Read newspapers and English novels. Join English discussion groups. Tips to learn English at any age or level. Here are some easy tips for everyone. 1. Set a goal. Decide why you want to learn English. Is it for a job, travel, education? This will keep you motivated. 2. Learn daily. Make English a habit. Even 15 minutes a day can help a lot. 3. Don't fear mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Learn from them. Speak freely. 4. Use what you know. Don't wait to be perfect. Use the words you know to speak or write. 5. Practice speaking. Speak with friends, teachers, or online partners. Practice builds confidence. 6. Watch and listen. Watch English movies, news, and YouTube videos. Listen to English songs and podcasts. 7. Write daily. Keep a small notebook. Write about your day in simple English. Real-life examples. Let me give you some real-life examples. Ronnie, a 45-year-old housewife, started learning English with her daughter. Now she speaks basic English with confidence. Ali, a 60-year-old retired teacher, joined an online English class. He says it keeps his mind fresh. Sarah, a 14-year-old schoolgirl, improved her English by watching cartoons and practicing daily. These people prove that English is for everyone, not just students or young people. Benefits of learning English at any age or level. Let's talk about the benefits. Confidence. You feel good when you can speak in English. Opportunities, more job and study chances. Communication. You can talk to people from different countries. Enjoyment. Enjoy movies, music, and books in English. Personal growth. You learn something new and feel proud. Conclusion. Let's quickly review what we've learned in this video. We talked about why English is important for everyone, how people of all ages can learn English, what to do at different levels, beginner, intermediate, and advanced, easy tips and tricks to improve English every day, real-life examples and the benefits of learning English. So remember, it doesn't matter if you are young or old. It doesn't matter if you're just starting or already know some English. English is for you. You can start learning today and improve step by step. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf. Leave a comment and tell me your age and your level of English. I'll reply with tips just for you. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling. Bye-bye.